Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we are going to discuss about fully funded scholarships in Sweden. In Umeå University, it's fully funded for international students. We'll show you the full step-by-step process for this admission and scholarship. The important step here is in this scholarship is only to apply for the admission. Those who get the application successful will be receiving an email from the university to apply for scholarship separately. There is an invite only scholarship for this opportunity. So you don't need to worry about it. Just you need to fill the admission process through UniversityAdmissions.se and we'll show that. And before we discuss about this opportunity, let me remind to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this scholarship in Sweden is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are in the respective description of the videos. And in the about section of the YouTube, you can see all the links are given there. Or you can visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlogo.com and you can read about the information there. Also, you can directly message our team on Instagram. Username is Full Scholarships. And all the scholarships are also posted there with links in the video description or scholarship posts. You can see here you have the application links given there, or you can directly message our team and ask for the link. Easiest way to reach us is our website fullscholarships.net, or you can directly Google www.fullscholarships.net. And here are some details about this particular scholarship. So Umeå University is the top European university hosted in Sweden, and you can complete undergraduate, postgraduate, or master's degree under this. Right now, only master's scholarship is open, and all countries are eligible to apply for this. And it's a fully funded scholarship with living stipends. Deadline is 15th of January 2026. Almost all Sweden universities, if you are willing to apply for Sweden, you just be careful that only 15 Jan is the deadline for all the scholarship opportunities of Sweden, or the university admissions to Sweden are closing on 15th of Jan. So this Umeå University is ranking among top universities in the world according to recent rankings, and there are a lot of talented and high achieving students there from outside of the European Union or Switzerland studying in the same university. And eligibility requirement for this opportunity is you must be a citizen of non-European citizen and must have applied for a full program by the 15th of Jan, and you should also receive a scholarship application invite through email. And yeah, that's it. And the priority of the university must be one on the admissions, UniversityAdmissions.se. Then benefits of this, you can see some courses will be fully funded and some courses might be partially funded. How do you apply for this process? So you have to only apply for bachelor's or master's degree at Umeå University through University Admissions. We have given the link here by 15th of Jan. Pay application fee if there is any, and wait for email invitation to register interest in scholarship. So we'll just open this link in order to start application, and we'll show the process as for scholarships as well. So first open this university admissions link that I am highlighting here. So just open this link here. Let me open this in a new tab, and now click on this link here. So as you click on this university admissions page will be there. So you can see apply for master's, bachelor's dates, or you can simply log in here and we'll show that. And when you click on this apply here button, so it will open the Umeå University official website where all the details regarding scholarships are mentioned. You can see timeline for 2026. 15 January is the deadline that you should apply as priority 1 on university admissions on this portal. And then by second, if there's an application, you can pay that, and you'll be receiving 4 to Feb 9th, you'll be receiving an invitation to eligible scholarships for scholarships. So you have to enroll up until March 4 regarding scholarship form. And late April scholarship results will be announced via email, and then offer letters will be sent for the admission as well as scholarship. You can see register interest for scholarship. You can read it here, but it will be only on invitation through email. So you can see 4th to 9th of Feb, you'll receive an email, and you will have deadline of 4th of March to apply for scholarships. So that's the process for this University of Umeå scholarship. There are other scholarships as well, like You can see SI Scholarship Sweden, SI Scholarship Global Professionals, and through Swedish Institute Government Scholarships also there. So you can apply to them as well. But first, let's complete the admission process, and then we'll wait for the invitation within the 4th to 9th of Feb. So for application to admission, you can see university admissions as we clicked on here. Now we'll simply log in. So if you're for the first time here, you can create an account as well. If you are new here, you can click on create an account. Do you have Swedish personal number? Select on no. And enter your email address, create a password, simply confirm password, click on I am not a robot, and then next. Simply, while signing up, you'll have 5 steps: personal details, education details, address, and passport number. That's it. I already have signed up for this, so I'll use my details here and click on login. Same, I'll use my email and password. You can see there are some previous applications that I have shown you, but go to my selection for the first time users. Click on my selection, click on find courses and programs. Now all universities here, you can filter Umeå University. So you can see here, tick this one and select masters, or you can apply for bachelor's degree as well. So let's this time keep masters or bachelor's. Both have same process. There's nothing to worry. Let me just keep the masters, and you can click on open for application. You can see different subjects are there which you can apply for the scholarships, or as of now you have to apply for the admissions only. And you can see 15th of Jan is the last date to apply. You have to choose your subject whichever you wish to go for. For example, I'll go with a master course in philosophy, or you can go with the master's program in artificial intelligence. So let me click on this program and select. You can see course selected. Click on my selection here. Now you can see one course is there. Click on start application button, and now you can see the course international masters program autumn session 2026 here. So you have to drag it here. You have to drag it at number 1 place. You can see now it's on priority 1. Then only you will be eligible for this scholarship. So you can see as priority 1 on university admissions. You can see this is a university admissions portal, UniversityAdmissions.se portal. Here you can see the university is having 1. So now we click on continue. Let's refresh this. There's some issue. So you can see it is at number 1. Click on. So we have agreed. Home country you have to select. So now we are ready to submit. Click on submit. You can see thank you for applying for studies in Sweden. To complete your application, please upload documents, prove your eligibility. Click on to application documents. And now application documents received by mail, or you can upload your identity here. So first important thing is upload your identity. That's you have to upload a passport here. So I have already uploaded a passport here. Then transcripts and degree certificates of your bachelor's and high school, upload them. You can see I have completed that. Now go back to my pages here, and you can see we have completed this. In messages, you'll have a message. You can see some previous message will be also there. As of now, no, we have not received a new message. So let me open the Gmail so that I'll see you can see change to the application. You can see this one has been on priority 1 and our application number is there. So application number has been generated. Previous education details are also there. Now go to my pages here and application. You can see application sent to university. Last 4 digits are 9890. Here you can see application number 9890. So application, if there's an application fee, you have to click on this and pay that. And Some courses have been already waiting for assessment, some courses have been sent for the university, but this application has been completed. So now you have completed your part, pay the application fee. There's a deadline for application fee as well. You can see application fee on university admissions. So 2nd Feb is the deadline, so you have to pay the application fee by this date. After you complete this section, these two, one, this one is done, this one is done. Now you have to wait for from 4th of Feb to 9th of Feb, you will receive an invitation, and that invitation will have a deadline of, you mean that scholarship deadline is 4th of March. You have to complete that, and it will bring you there. In case you miss this, you will not receive the link. You just write a mail at tuitionfees@ume.se. You will have to manually write an email to ask them for the scholarship invitation. That is the simple process for Sweden scholarship. I hope you enjoyed the session. You have doubts, ask us in the comment section. Write us on below comments, and before writing, do remember to subscribe, and before messaging us on Instagram, do remember to follow and like our posts as well. And when you follow or when you subscribe, the message does not go to spam section. It saves your time, it saves our time as well. And that's it for today. Please do like, share this video with your family and friends who wish to go for Sweden, Europe, or anywhere in the countries abroad for the higher education. I hope you enjoyed the session. Do like, share this video. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.